Stand up.
Hey, Santi.
Say cheese.
Macaroni.
Santi, is that not a shirt?
Mom, yes. Yes, Mom.
It's a scarf. Brooke.
Macaroni.
Yeah.
All set?
Yes, sir.
All righty.
Happy birthday, Nana.
Happy heavenly birthday. Happy heavenly birthday, Dean.
Yes. Okay.
Oh.
Is there a bathroom over there?
Where did it go? It went behind the...
Happy birthday.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's not your fault in the water.
What?
Mom, after this.
Happy birthday, Ma. Happy heavenly birthday. Isn't this beautiful, Ma? Rest in peace and happy birthday, baby, up in heaven. We wanted you to see this so bad. Beautiful. Does somebody have Budget's hand, please, God? Yeah, yeah. Guys, it is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely. You like it, Bud? Happy birthday, Ma!
Happy birthday. Chauncey, let's go. Hurry. I can't. Brooke's there.
Are they just ending
Wait,
on
hold
their
on.
own
Okay,
birthday?
fine.
Yeah, it's, you know, these are not too tight.
They're not tight and they're coming off.
Right, they just come off.
So they're just coming off on their own. I guess that's good, right?
Right, if you notice there's no string on them. I got the string.
I think that's good though. They come off on their own.
There's only two down.
Fly away.
Budge, hold on to Mom's hand. I don't want you just walking by yourself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely freaking beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Happy birthday, Mom. Miss you and I love you. Dance for them up in heaven. Enjoy your day up in heaven, baby.
Say cheese with my dad.
Let the people by, guys. Come on over this side.
Randy, be careful.
Yeah, I ain't going now. You close, I'm going.
All right, y'all. Happy birthday, baby. Happy heavenly birthday. Happy heavenly birthday, baby. Happy heavenly birthday. We love you. We love you, Mom. We love you very much.
strings are tight.
They
tangled.
together?
Yeah.
That's fine, as long as they all go.
Right, yeah.
Somebody want,
Ready?
y'all want to say a prayer?
Yes.
Or we want to say happy birthday?
Sing happy birthday.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Mom.
Love you, Nana.
Rest peacefully,
Love you,
dance,
Nana.
dance gaily and happily today in heaven, darling. We love you and we miss
Love
you.
you.
Happy 70th heavenly birthday, my love. Enjoy. Shyla, let him go.
1.
2, 3. Shanti, y'all, everybody go.
Happy birthday,
Oh my
Nana.
gosh, they all went to...
We love you.
Wow, look at how they met up. Does anybody see this? Oh my gosh, does anybody see
Happy
they met
birthday,
up?
Nana.
Happy birthday, Nana.
That's her JC. No, that was a scandal.
Rest peacefully, baby. Oh, wow, look at them.
We love you, Nana. Happy birthday.
Yeah, you fly, baby. You flying over Marlboro. You fly high, baby.
Love you, Nana.
Yes. You fly, you beautiful angel in heaven. I love you, Mom.
It's giving shark.
One went in the clouds, y'all. One's going in the clouds. Oh.
I can't see.
That one's in the clouds. Look all the way in that top cloud. It's right up there. And then the other two's way away from it. Wow, that's beautiful. Watch out, young. Oh, look at those ones. They're staying together. Does anybody see that? The ones, the two over here together. Look, and they're going in the clouds. Look, look. Those one in the cloud. Look. See, you can't see, Rez. They're going. The one in that last cloud right there, the red part's going. Happy birthday, baby.
Come on, Brooke, everybody.
We should finish today by.
No, not today, sweet. That's on a Wednesday.
That's right. My father got church in the morning.
Yep.
Church.
Yes.
Preach.
Praise the Lord.
Yeah,
Mine, Randy's going to church after your birthday. Praise the Lord. Welcome to the family. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Love you guys. Love you, Mom.